Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Trustwallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Trustwallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Trustwallet application. The home page of Trustwallet application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top left corner of the page. Click on Main Wallet 1 option. Now before logging out of your Trustwallet's account, make sure that you back up your recovery phrase. After you back up your recovery phrase, go to the settings application from the app list. Scroll all the way down and tap on apps and notifications. On the next page, tap on Trustwallet. Now click on storage and cache option. Clear your storage and cache memory by tapping on clear storage and clear cache option. Confirm deletion of your app data by tapping on OK. After you're done, it will log you out of your Trustwallet's account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Trustwallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.